Hey guys, Penrite have invited us down here today to watch a round of the Supercars at Sydney Motorsport Park, so let's go and have a look. Alright, so we've been spending a bit of time in the Erebus Racing pits. We haven't been allowed to film as yet, but it's been a good day. We're going to go down now and have a look at some Porsches and see how that goes. Cool. Okay guys, we're about to go for a pit walk through the Erebus Racing team. Let's have a look. So there's a lot going on in here. We just got a good look through and an explanation about the cars. We spent a bit of time in here, but obviously we're limited with what we can film, what we're allowed to, what we're actually look at. But yeah, it's been a great day. Alright guys, we had a fantastic day.
It was great.
Penrite really showed us a great time getting into the pits, meeting David Reynolds, the driver. He's currently 7th in the series, I believe. Yeah. And yeah, just seeing the workings of how our team works and stuff. It was a great day.
Yeah, it's fascinating.
Alright guys, see you on the next one.